Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can optimize your response time in order to get the attention of the customers you want, and how it can help you maximize your visibility, your gigs visibility, and your profile's visibility on Fiverr. And it is really important because it not only affects your ranking, but it also allows the users to see how responsive you are and how willing you are to cater to the needs of the prospects or the interested people who are there to just simply know more about your services. And that really impacts your ranking. So lower response rate or a less response time means your ranking will also be low, and it will in turn affect your visibility on Fiverr. So you won't be able to get the attention of your targeted customers the way you want if you don't reply to the messages on time, or if you don't reach out to the customers if they are curious about something and they want to know more about your services. So it's really important for you to keep up with the other competitors of your niche on Fiverr by optimizing your response rate, because there are a lot of things that they're doing correctly. That also includes catering to their customers in the right way. So to give you an example, the first thing that you can do is that direct messaging. You need to download the Fiverr app that's available on the Play Store or on Apple Store, and from there on you can get the notifications directly, because obviously when you're putting up a gig and you're doing everything possible to optimize its visibility, you also need to have the app to stay updated on how or where anyone has reached out to you and what they want to know more about, and how you can reply to them. And it can help you optimize your response time, because the sooner you see the notification and reply, the higher chances are for a better visibility and ranking on Fiverr. Because less response time means less ranking, which means less visibility, and you're basically non-existent with less visibility and low ranking on Fiverr. So these are the two methods that you can try. And another thing that you can do is that I'm going to give you a small example. See this gig right here? It says I will manage your social media influencer marketing campaign. We've used the example of this guy in the previous videos as well. And if we scroll down on his gig, we can see that there are a lot of good reviews that people have left here, and he's replied to every single one of them. So it just overall polishes his presence on Fiverr as well, that he's responsive and he is really encouraging people for customer retention. And that's a great thing, because it means that he won't only just be able to manage all of his present gigs, but he will be getting good responses, and he'll be getting more requests on his future gigs. So this is something that you can try out as well. Responding to people that are just giving their reviews can also be visible to other relevant prospects who are visiting your gig and your profile, and they can see, oh, so this person is polite, they're responsive, and it would be a good thing to try them out. So this is another technique that you can try, and it's a very complex kind of technique on how it works out and how it really affects your ranking. It's really easy, but the way it impacts your ranking is kind of complex, but it's really important. So you can try these two methods out: direct messaging, reply to people who are curious about your services or who are asking you something about your services, number one. Number two, reply to the people who are leaving good reviews on your gigs to leave a good impression on people and visitors. Another method that you can try is that you can go to Facebook and you can try out the strategy that we've been trying for the past few things as well, about Fiverr reviews, about Fiverr gig favorites. You can type in Fiverr Response Exchange in the search bar on Facebook, and the groups that show up about Fiverr gig promotion, review exchange, buyers and sellers, gig projects, you can join any of these, and you can go inside and just ask for replies, or ask common people on Fiverr to just send you a message so you can optimize your response time. And even if you don't have an optimized gig right away, this is something that you can start doing from the first day that you set up your profile and your gig. So you can really try this out, and it's going to really help you. And the first thing that you need to consider when you're just scanning through these Facebook groups is that there should be at least 500 posts a day in each of these groups, and as we can see that in some of them we have 610 posts a day. So you can join these and you can just ask for a reply there, ask for someone to just give you a message on Fiverr, and you can reply to them and optimize your response time. So this is how you can optimize your response rate on Fiverr, and it will allow you to maximize your visibility, and your ranking can also be increased if you do implement the strategies that we've explained in this video in the right way.